glass insurance claims, accuracy is crucial. But this client faced a challenge, processing thousands of claims daily and manually verifying the documents for fraud. That's when Soothsayer stepped in to transform their process with AI. The auto glass provider received a diverse range of documents, each with different formats. From invoices to diagnostic reports, the manual review process was daunting. To add to the complexity, some documents had poor image quality, making analysis difficult. Tilted, upside down, or partially cut off scans posed challenges for the team. Soothsayer Analytics designed a powerful framework, targeting each reason for suspecting a fraudulent claim. We wanted to make this process seamless and efficient. We developed an image enhancement module to process poor quality images, improving the overall analysis. Extremely poor quality images were identified for manual review. Our AI-based document classifier categorized the diverse documents, making it easier to handle the variation in formats. The OCR technique extracted raw text from each document. We then used natural language processing (NLP) to locate key information for content-based tampering checks. Our team extracted vital information like the vehicle identification number, invoice dates, shipping dates, and customer names. We cross-checked this data against other sources, applying business rules to flag suspicious claims. And finally, we used computer vision techniques to identify structural anomalies in potentially fraudulent documents. Soothsayer Analytics solution brought immense value. We reduced manual review efforts by a staggering 60%, accelerated claim processing, and increased the detection of fraudulent claims.